15 tenses. There are three main tenses. They are 1. The present tense, 2. The past tense, and 3. The future tense. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Thou will love, you will love. Third person, he will love, they will love. Now we will or event, but also the state of an action referred to. Just as the present tense has 4 forms, the past tense exercise by that time. Before you go to see him, he will have left the place. 4. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense indicates an action represented as being in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. For example, by next week, we will be leaving.
कविता 16वी. चैत्र पाडवा. मंगला गोखले. प्रस्तावना. मराठी नववर्षाचा पहिला दिवस पाडवा होय. गुढीपाडव्याच्या दिवशी आपण कोणते शुभ संकल्प करावेत ते या कवितेत सांगितले आहे. कवितेचा अर्थ. राजा शालिवाहनाने शक गणनेचा शुभारंभ शालिवाहन राजाने केला. गुढीपाडवा मनातील आढीबद्दल काय सांगतो? गुढीपाडवा मनातील आढी सोडून द्या असे सांगतो. नव्या मनूचे पायीक व्हा असे गुढी का सांगते? जुने ते सोने या म्हणीप्रमाणे काही जण जुन्या पण वाईट गोष्टींनाही चिकटून राहतात. आपण बुरसटलेले विचार सोडून नवीन विचारांचा अंगीकार करायला हवा असे गुढी सुचवते.
Blue litmus paper turns red in the presence of an acid. In base, the red litmus paper turns blue. Those substances which do not change the color of litmus paper are called neutral substances. Oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature. Oxides of metals are basic in nature. Acids are sour in taste. When an acid and a base react chemically, salt and water are formed. This process is known as neutralization. Silver bromide is used in photographic films.
प्रथमः पाठः सुभाषितमाला 1. छंद अनुष्टुप. वंदे सरस्वतीं देवीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीं पद्मासनां शुभ्रवस्त्रां कलाविद्याप्रदायिनीम् आकाशात् पतितं तोयं यथा गच्छति सागरम् सर्वदेव नमस्कारः केशवं प्रति गच्छति विना वेदं विना गीतां विना रामायणीं कथां विना कविं कालिदासं कीदृशी भारतीयता.
Chapter 2. The Age of Revolutions. Introduction. The revolution means a radical change. There were the French Revolution, the Industrial Revolution. All these events took place during the 18th century and hence the 18th century. Chapter 2. The Age of Revolutions. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. On which goods produced in the American colonies did England impose taxes? England imposed taxes on goods such as tea and sugar produced in the American colonies. Who were included in the Third Estate in France? Chapter 1. Soaring into Space. Friends, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the space technology and its applications developed by man. Space launch. To send an object from Earth into space gets uses for space technology. It from an internet has brought STEM or GPS. Space research in India began under the leadership of Dr. Homi Bhabha and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. The first rocket was launched in space from Thumba in 1969. The space launching station at Sriharikota on the eastern coast of India was established in 1971.